Alrighty folks, we were just told by a lady who was kayaking that there is a car in the water. So we're going to check it out. Holy cow, I think I see something. What? Do you guys see that? There is a car. Let's see if we can get right on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a car in the water marked by a floating bucket. Whoa, that's crazy. Let's see if we can tell what kind of car it is. It's a turtle. Probably has a home inside. Look at that. You guys see that? That is definitely a car. The tires are still on it too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wonder how long it's been here. It's crazy. So that's the front. That's the roof. I wonder if there's any bodies in there. Probably not, but it's crazy. Good old Delaware River for you. I should drop shot, see if I can catch some. Okay, there's the engine compartment. It's a small car. Almost looks like a Subaru or something. Anyways, that's crazy.